looking at the metal links versus the stock Losi links, they got different ball types. So I measured it with the calipers, and I think it's probably around almost close to 2 mils. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna attempt to straight just super glue some washers onto the ball end to take up that slop, so that when they sit inside of the upper mount, there's not a bunch of slop. I'm probably gonna have to do that on the bottom too, so I'm gonna test to fit that right now. It's substantially bigger. I might have to torque it to get it in there, but it's got a good fat contact patch and it won't have any slop, so it'll be all on the ball. Fits on the mount, the rear end mount, pretty perfectly. So I won't be able to really flex this as much, but see right here, no slop. So what we ended up doing is we took one washer off one side and we got the other side, and I'm gonna run the washer on the outside on the left and the outside on the right. So we are gonna leave 2 washers on the back to tie into that rear mount, so we'll see how that works. Traxxas UDR shocks. The time has come. Do we run a single? Do we run duals? Next step is going to be doing some drop testing. So we got a bunch of shocks in the house. We're going to set it up with a dual shock, a single shock. We'll start playing with some oils. I got some power strokes back here that we're going to bring in, and we're just going to keep playing with shock configs and doing drop tests. So we got a GoPro Hero 8 and we're going to set it up on some slow-mo. And next video is going to be some slow-mo drop tests with multiple shock configs. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace.